iPhone microphone not working. Here how to fix it. iPhone or microphone. An iPhone is almost useless without a working microphone. A broken microphone means no FaceTime. Phone calls or Siri, sometimes videos shot on your iPhone may not have any audio. But before you pay Apple for a costly repair, try these fixes first. Number one, find out which microphone is not working. Before you begin fixing your iPhone's microphone, you shall need to know which microphone is not working. If you have an iPhone 5 or later, you shall have three microphones. One on the bottom of your phone for mobile phone, one on the front of your phone for speakerphone, and one on the back of the camera for the camera. Test each microphone by recording using voice memos. Bottom microphone. Making a phone can be speakers, front microphone, and recording a video back microphone. If all the microphones are not working, it is mostly likely a hardware issue. If only one microphone is not working or sounds muffled, continue to the next step. Number two, iPhone microphone muffled or muted. Try cleaning it. One of the simplest ways to fix your microphone is by cleaning it. If one of your microphones sounds muffled when you speak, you might just need to clean it. iPhone microphones are sensitive, and a small piece of dust or dander can affect how they sound. To clean your microphone, avoid blowing into at all. First, instead dip a cotton swab or Q-tip some isopropyl alcohol, then wipe it along the muffled microphone. Try to get inside the microphone hole if you can. Alternately, you can use a toothbrush to do the same. Isopropyl alcohol breaks up the grime and dries fast, so it would not damage your iPhone. Try using the highest percentage of isopropyl alcohol you can find. While you are at it, clean your entire iPhone thoroughly if it is not in a good shape. Number three, disconnect from Bluetooth devices. Being connected to a Bluetooth devices could means that your iPhone is activating an external microphone and you cannot use to build in one. This is a common issue that with those who use Bluetooth headphones like AirPods or smart home systems. Check if you are connected to a Bluetooth device by opening your iPhone's control center, then toggle Bluetooth off. Alternately, tap and hold it to view all your connected devices. Number 4. Make sure apps have microphone permissions. If your microphone is not working in a specific app, you might not have granted that app permission to use your microphone. To grant to an app permission, head to setting and select the affected app. Now make sure the microphone toggle is enabled. Number 5. Using an external microphone or AirPods. If you have tried all the above fixes but nothing is working, you can still use an external microphone with your iPhone. You can use this while you wait for a repair, or even use an external microphone indefinitely if you can't afford a repair. Most headphones, including Apple's AirPods, have built-in microphones. Since they connect via your iPhone's Lightning, USB-C port, or Bluetooth. You would not have to rely on the built-in the microphone for the most tasks.